In this video, I will show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. To do that, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. And tap on this settings again. Under the settings, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says activity log, this one. After you open activity log, tap on this section, your Facebook activity, first option. Scroll to down and tap on this manage post. Now all you have to do now, tap on this filter. Under this filter, tap on this categories. So under this categories, tap on this second option, your posts and photos and videos. Now as you can see now, here is all your Facebook posts. So if you want to delete all the posts, all you have to do now, tap on this select all. After you select the all posts, all you have to do now, tap on this move to trash. So by typing on this move to trash now, you delete all your posts on your Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.